Good morning once again. Good morning. Good morning. Today is on the 17th of May. 17th of May. What you can see on the screen is what we did yesterday. That is the analysis that we did yesterday. We were looking for potential buyers above this point, which never happened. So buyers were out of the picture yesterday. We were looking for sales below this area over here, and we got the sell to the take profit one. Only that did not go to take profit two, right? So we only covered from the entry point to take profit one. That is all what we got yesterday. And as you can see, what the market is doing right now is it went back up to the same area that we're waiting for it to break, consolidated, moving down and moving up. Is just consolidating. At least right now, this morning, we just had a break above this area again, the area that was broken yesterday so that we could get this hell. Just had a break above. The market is inside here right now. We need to see what it will do next. And for us to know where we're headed next is only by going straight to FX Factory and checking what we have today. So today is on the 17th. Let's reload this. It's reading on 16th. 17th, here we are. And we've got only 5:15, that's when we have the FOMC member Walla, which is a medium impact, right? So no high impact news today, only medium impact and low impact we have any, all right? That being said, we go back to our very nice chart so that we can start our analysis for the day. It's on a Friday. Again, like we always say, on a Friday, you don't really want to over leverage your account on Friday. You don't want to open more mini trade. You don't want even to over trade on Fridays. Yeah, the market is closing, and we could have some crazy retracement of what has been happening the whole week. So it's always good. Don't make profit the whole week and then lose them on Friday. It's very possible. It happens. You can make profit on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday everything goes, right? So avoid that by avoiding over trading. Fridays, take it slow on Fridays. As you can see, even the market is slow on Fridays, okay? Not unless there's NFP or there's those major news on Friday, the market is usually slow on Fridays, okay? All right, let's get into the analysis like we always do. All right. There we go. Okay, like we always do, we start with the support, monthly support. Monthly resistance, once again, over there. All right, we name them. Told you consistency. Consistency is the thing. Gotta do the same thing every day to make it happen. And if you see it's not working, don't expect to do the same thing and expect a different result, okay? So if by doing the same thing, you cannot get a different result, then if what you're doing is working, then continue doing that same thing. If it's not working, you're gonna need to change the strategy, all right? So for me, this one works for me very well. That's why I keep on doing it every day. Because it works for me very, very well. All right, daily, we are already well, monthly support, monthly resistance, weekly support over here. We go to daily, press over here, we expand it a bit just to fit it over there. All right, so daily, over here, we have this low over here. Let's see where the highs are. And that's where the market is right now, which is a bit, let's find it. All right, good. Over here, we have it. We have the high. We have the high over here. Very nice. All right, so that's weekly support. This one is daily support. And it's daily support. And this one is gonna be H4 support now. See over here? It's going to be the support on H4. All right, so you see, if we spread it over here like this, you're gonna start from all the way from monthly support, weekly support, the most immediate daily support is over here, and we have the H4 support. I know there are other areas of support like this and this, but the thing is, we are looking at the most immediate supports after this, right? So when you're coming to decide on where to sell, so right now the market is pulling up on H4. It's pulling up actually to fill up this area. Let's see. No, we have a daily high H4. Sorry, H4 resistance over here. But we don't forget this. We are on H1 right now. The H4 resistance is holding on tight. So the same place has H1 resistance. The same place has the H1 resistance. In the same place. For this same place has H1 resistance and H1 support. So, yep, go down to 30 minutes, 30 minutes. 30 minutes is like we just broke above these areas over here, so it's pushing up. I don't really like the mess that is here. I don't really like this mess. There's too much rejections going on over here. Too much rejections. All right, so there's that zone. There's that zone that probably we would want it to be closed. But then the problem is we have a next zone just coming in hot right there, just up there. So it's making it a bit, yeah, it's actually right. Let's see. Okay. All right, so that's where the market is right now. Currently, the market is at that point. Of course, just broke above these points. Just broke above that point. It's pushing up. Just went to, it's up to this resistance right now. I'm gonna call it the H1. The H1 resistance over here. So the market needs to break above this point and have good pressures for us to push up to this point from 2386 to 2390. That is like what? Oh, right. Wow. That's very small area. It's a very small area, the same thing as the rest, very small areas. Well, yep. Like I said, it's a slow. Mondays are slow. Fridays are slow, sorry, not Mondays. What's wrong with me? Okay. Honestly, the market looks way relaxed today. It's like nothing is going to move today. You know what I'm looking for right now? I'm looking for safe sells. I'm looking for safe sells here. I know it's far away from the price right now, but that's where the market is. That's what's promising right now. 2371. To be honest, I would rather wait for the market until it comes down to 2371 and trade this nice move down. This one looks more better than fixing myself into these situations over here. But we need a strong move for it to rewrite all of this noise over here. See, there's a lot of rejections over here. What I'm calling noise is actually rejection, yeah? There's a lot of rejection. Look at all these candles. All these candles were trying to push up, but being rejected. Rejection. So there's a lot of rejection going on over there. That's why I'm saying we need more pressures, and by the look of things, we don't really have any big fundamental today that may want to, but we can peg on to say that the market, once the fundamentals comes in, they will rewrite the whole thing. So I'm pretty sure the market today may be just in a slow mode. Let's see how it goes. But should you want to do some quick, and I write them as potential quick sales, so not sales, quick buys. I'm calling them quick buys because even there's the pips movement from the take profit to from the entry to the take profit is actually a very small thing. Potential quick buys. Potential quick buys above the 2387, 86, 87, like that. But we need pressure. We definitely need pressure to break above. I'm actually going to put in a whole, I'm going to put in a call out, a comment. It's very important. It's very important to have a comment on this. Very important, we do have a comment and say we need volumes. Let's call them volumes. We need volumes to break above the current resistance and to cross over. To cross all the rejections on the left. All right, there we go. Okay, we have, oh, sorry. Have our comments over here. I'm just gonna make it a bit, we need to break above the resistance and the left. Okay. This is a comment that we need over here. What? I want to remove the whole of this, put in a call out. Then the call out is much better. Yes. Yes. Yeah. A call out is much better than the comment. So at least we need pressures to break above this point over here. These things, they are very nice when you name them like this, because at least you can, even if you send anyone that looks at this analysis, will be able to know what you're looking at. So having put in a color like that, like we need the reason that explains the reason why I'm saying they are quick buys here. It explains that, right? Now I want to go to where we are right now currently. These are the safe cells, right? These are the safe cells where we are right now. These are safe cells from this point. And we're gonna put in even the short position icon. Stop loss just above there, and we go down. Take profit will be down here. TP down there. But that's not enough. We have over here. See where we are right now? Here we have potential cells. And I'll call them actually quick as well. Potential quick cells. So you could do, if it depends now with your risk, depends with your risk appetite now. Yeah. If you want to do these quick cells, make sure the stop loss is a bit tight, just a bit tight. Just a bit tight above the resistance area, the support now. All right. At that time, it will be resistant, of course, but right now it's support. Let's potential quick cells up to this point. It's below 23, around 23.81 all the way to 23.74. That's gonna be, that's a good area for trade. Inside here, I'm not really pegging anything on this, so I'll call this a no trade range. Sometimes you can do analysis and fail to get any entry. Don't force it, leave it. Okay, don't force it. If you force it, it's gonna hurt you. When you do an analysis and you realize that you can't see anything, just leave it. It's not yet. We said you're gonna need to become a successful trader. You need the ability to only wait for the high probability setups. You don't go just because the market is moving up, you want to be in. You know, you may end up losing. So here we have TP1 and TP2 over here. All right. So just in case we get the quick buys moving on, we get the break above this point, we would want to take those buys very quick, go over there. And yeah, so that's how the market looks like. So when I put all of that together in one picture, this is what you get, this is what you see. Right, so that's a self-explanatory. It's a you can actually understand it just by looking. Even if I take a screenshot of this and send you, you can actually understand what I'm looking at. I'm looking for sales here. I'm looking for quick sales here. I'm looking for quick buys above here, all the way to this point. And the reason why it's a quick buy is because I want more pressure to break above this point so that it can cross or the rejection on the left over here, right? Great. So that's it. That's how it is. I'm going to be watching this for the day. Let's see what we have. If you would want to study about fundamental, if you want to understand how economic news data works or how fundamentals affect the market, I'm going to be doing a webinar today. So you can join me in the evening. If you're interested, I'm gonna post the link to the webinar. I'm gonna write it as a comment. I'm gonna post it there. Click on the link, register for the webinar. I'm going to be teaching people today on economic news data, understanding how the news affect the market and how it largely affects your trading as well. Okay, so that's a very important thing. If you're interested, do comment over there, do send a text, and just tell me to send you the link. I will do it. But even now, I'm going to post it on my on this. I'm going to attach it with this video. All right, I'm going to attach it this on the description over there, so you can get the link to the webinars today. All right. Thank you guys very much. Have a good day and take care. Do not overtrade. Happy weekend as we enter the weekends. All right. And remember to go to church, right? All right, guys. Bye-bye, guys, and have a good day.